Okay, so we now have a domain name. We have signed up for a hosting account at hostgator.com, and after you created your HostGator account, you'll have gotten an email. I want you to pull up that email, and that's going to have the link to your cPanel account. And your cPanel is where we'll manage everything for our hosting. So you're going to have a link. You'll also have a username and a password in that email. I want you to go ahead and enter that information now, and we're going to log into our cPanel. Okay, so now that we are in our cPanel, and I'm just going to click home, mine may look a little bit different than yours because you guys just signed up, whereas I have had an account for a while now. So this is our home, and we can get to our home page by just clicking in the top left up here. And the first thing I want to make sure you guys do is come down here, and we're just going to change our password. So you can click this link, put your old password here. It may already be in here. If it's not, you have that password in that email you received from HostGator, and then just go ahead and type in a new password. Alright, and I'm not going to reset mine, but that just shows you how to do it. Enter both those and go ahead and change your password now. Change it to something that you're going to remember. And let's go back to our home tab. I apologize for my computer loading slowly. Alright, so now we can manage our domain name and our hosting. So we need to move our domain into HostGator. Now you'll remember we bought it with GoDaddy. So I know you kept your information on how to log into GoDaddy, so let's open up a new tab. And we're going to just go to GoDaddy.com. Alrighty, and I just want you guys to log into your accounts. Mine is still logged in, but if not, up here on the right side of your screen, you'll see login. Go ahead, log in, pause the video if you need to, find your information, and log in. Alright, once you've done that, what we need to do to have our domain point to our HostGator account is pretty simple. We just need to come over here to Domains, and I want to manage my domains. So I'm going to come down to Manage My Domains and select this button. Alright, and here we'll be able to view our domain names. You'll only have one domain here, the one you just purchased, but mine, yestothepress.com, that I purchased is right here, so I'm just going to hover over it and select it. And here we will see a list of some options to manage our domain. And we're not going to bother with anything else. Let's just go to the third item down, which is Nameservers, and we are going to be managing these and these alone. Now your name server will look something like ns05.domaincontrol.com, the same as mine, but we're going to change those. And that means we need to first select Manage, and we're going to change from Standard to Custom. Okay, and then from here, let's come down to Add Name Server. Okay, and then we can enter our own name server. Well, we need to get our name server, and we do that by going back to our HostGator.com control panel. And once you're back here, I want you to scroll all the way down, and in the bottom left we're going to find some very important account information. Most importantly, our name servers, and you'll see that we have two name servers here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the first one, and let's go back to our domain details. And let's just paste that name server in here. And then we can go back to our control panel. I'm going to copy the second name server. And usually these are just one number apart. And we're going to come back in here and copy the second name server. and then we select OK. It's going to go ahead and validate that. And now we've entered our custom name servers. They should be ns with 4 numbers and then .hostgator.com. Let's go ahead and save this. And voila, your name servers are now set. We no longer need to do anything with GoDaddy. We're not going to be setting up our emails through GoDaddy. We'll be doing that through HostGator. Good job and congratulations. You just pointed your name servers to your hosting account, which a lot of people don't know how to do. But it's very, very simple, as you just saw.